Hi staff, this tutorial is meant to assist you in setting up your OneNote class notebooks through Microsoft Teams. If you don't already have Teams handy on your desktop or taskbar, start typing in the word Teams into the search bar. It should appear on the top of the list. This is the Teams landing page. You will have a team provision for every class you teach. If you have classes from last year with a 2018 or 2017 suffix, you can click on the three dots and click Hide. These teams, again, do not disappear, but they can be found by clicking on the words Hidden Teams. Anyway, back to provisioning your OneNote class notebooks. Select the class you want to create a OneNote class notebook for. It will have 2019 in brackets. Click on the tab Class Notebook and follow the wizard. Select Set up a OneNote class notebook. The next page is a template page. No need to change anything here. Click Next. These are the sections that each boy's OneNote will automatically be provisioned with if you don't change it. You're free to delete all of these sections, keep all of them, change a few, add some in. I personally tend to delete all of them. Click Create. It will then say getting your class notebook ready. Give it a moment. The online version of OneNote will appear in your Teams window. Click on Open in Browser and select Open in OneNote. Your OneNote 2016 desktop version will automatically open. A security notice will also appear. Click Yes. Your OneNote will then appear at the bottom of your list of OneNote class notebooks. Give it some time for all your boys to appear. So far, so good. There is some housekeeping to do in order to effectively use your Teams. So reopen your Teams. Find the team you want to tweak. Click on the three dots and click on the Manage Team. Click on Settings. Click on Member Permissions. Untick Give members the option to delete their messages and give members the option to edit their messages. And select Only owners can post messages. This is what you want to see. Close the drop-down area by clicking on the drop-down arrow. Click on Fun Stuff and untick these three options. This is to reduce distraction. There is also some housekeeping to do in order to more effectively use your OneNote. So reopen your OneNote app. Click on the Class Notebook add-in, and if you don't have it, you can get it from the Software Center. Then click on Manage Notebooks. A new Internet Browser tab will open. Scroll down to find the appropriate notebook. Click on the Enable Teacher Only section group. This will create a Teacher Only section in your OneNote, which is really handy. For example, to keep information about your classes like photographs, teaching and learning adjustments, and the like. The great thing is that boys cannot see it, and only other teachers that you've added into your OneNote would have access to it. The other thing you can do is to lock the collaboration space. You can always come back to this and reopen it later. Lastly, if you have a list of OneNote class books longer than you would like to have, right-click on the notebook and select Close the notebook. The notebook will not disappear but remains in the cloud for you to reopen at a later stage. If your OneNote perhaps open in a weird version that you're not used to, it might be the app version, and I'll show you what to do about that. This is the app version of OneNote, which is not as functional as the desktop version we have been using so far. So what you can do, if this is the case for you, is in the search bar, type in the words Default Apps. Scroll to the bottom and click on Choose Default Apps by Protocol. Scroll down to these two icons. They will say OneNote 2016. Right-click on both, select OneNote 2016, and voila, you're done. Thank you for watching, and if you have any questions, please email Rob and I, and we'd be glad to help. Thank you.